So we finally got the Exynos variant of the Galaxy S20 Plus into the studio yesterday, meaning the PhoneBuff style speed test and battery test that I know a lot of you have been waiting for are going to be hitting the channel soon. But today, we're going to kick things off with the drop test to see how the processors inside of these phones affect their durability. Taking a look at the spec sheets, both of these phones are using Gorilla Glass 6. The metal that each phone is using is slightly different, with the Snapdragon variant going with an aluminum frame, while the Exynos variant is using aluminium. And considering that the Snapdragon variant's modem supports both sub 6 GHz and millimeter wave 5G, it does actually tack on a couple of grams to its total weight. And then finally, the last major thing worth mentioning here is the color these phones are being tested in, with the Exynos variant coming in cosmic gray, while the Snapdragon variant is being tested in cloud blue. So a lot of different variables that are at play here. Now, whether or not they actually have an effect on durability, let's find out. Round number 1, backdrop. In 3, 2, 1. Alright, so while we're obviously not breaking any phones today, we are giving one away. The big boy at that, in the Galaxy S20 Ultra. And we made it super easy to enter for a chance to win. Just follow us over on Instagram at PhoneBuff, and that's it, you'll be automatically entered. This giveaway is international, the winner will be announced on April 30th, and all the links and info you could possibly need are down below in the description. Anyways, good luck and stay safe.